Today, I am reviewing Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a versatile, high-performance tablet for streaming, reading, gaming, and everyday tasks, the Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet 2023 is a fantastic option. This newest generation model comes with a 10.1-inch Full HD 1080p display, offering sharp and vibrant visuals that make movies, videos, and games look incredibly detailed. With a pixel density of 224 ppi and over 2 million pixels, everything from your favorite shows to photos is displayed in crisp, lifelike color. The strengthened aluminosilicate glass makes this device durable, so you can enjoy entertainment without worrying about scratches or accidental drops. In fact, Fire HD 10 is rated 2.7 times more durable than the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2022, giving you peace of mind for long-term use. Under the hood, the tablet is powered by a robust Octa-Core processor and comes with 3 GB of RAM, making it 25% faster than the previous generation. This combination allows you to multitask smoothly, whether you're streaming videos, browsing the web, playing casual games, or switching between apps. You'll experience minimal lag or slowdowns, making your daily digital tasks seamless. The Fire HD 10 also offers 32 GB of internal storage, with around 24 GB available for user content, and a microSD slot that supports up to 1 TB, providing ample room for all your apps, media files, and documents. One of the most impressive features of the Fire HD 10 is its 13-hour battery life, which allows you to binge-watch shows, read ebooks, or play games throughout the day without constantly worrying about charging. When it's time to recharge, the tablet quickly powers up via USB-C, fully charging in under 4 hours with the included 9W adapter or in under 3 hours with a 15W adapter and USB-C cable, sold separately. The lightweight and ultra-slim design, combined with a durable aluminum-reinforced body, makes it ideal for portability, so you can take it anywhere, whether it's to school, work, or on vacation. For creativity enthusiasts, the made-for-Amazon Stylus Pen, sold separately, offers 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for natural handwriting, sketching, and note-taking on apps like OneNote. Additionally, the tablet includes 3 smart tools that let you quickly summarize web pages, polish emails, and create custom wallpapers, enhancing your productivity. Video calls and social connectivity are also easy with the 5MP front and rear cameras capable of 1080p HD video recording. Whether you're zooming with family, creating TikTok videos, or capturing photos, the Fire HD 10 makes communication and content creation simple. The dual integrated stereo speakers provide clear, balanced audio for calls, music, and movies, and you can also connect Bluetooth devices such as headphones or speakers for a personalized listening experience. The Fire HD 10 is family-friendly thanks to Amazon Kids Plus, which provides parental controls and access to thousands of books, videos, songs, and apps. If you're a fan of smart assistants, Alexa is fully integrated, allowing you to ask for recipes, control smart home devices, or even have your Kindle books read aloud with the Voice View screen reader. Amazon has also emphasized sustainability with this tablet, using 12% recycled materials in the device and 98% recycled or responsibly sourced materials in the packaging. The Fire HD 10 is ENERGY Star certified and includes various accessibility features like screen magnifier, high-contrast text, color inversion, and Tap to Alexa, making it easy to personalize your experience. Overall, the Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet 2023 is a perfect all-around device for anyone who wants a combination of durable design, vibrant display, fast performance, and long battery life. Whether you're streaming, reading, gaming, or being creative, it's a reliable tablet that can handle all your daily digital needs while remaining budget-friendly and family-oriented.